What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got an unboxing and review of the Sorel Cheyanne 2 Duck Boot. If you're new to the channel, we're releasing a video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Rover Coop, salute. Now, I've been a big fan of the duck boot silhouette for many, many years. It's a classic style, keeps your foot warm and dry, rain, sleet, or snow. And for many years, I've been rocking the LL Bean Bean Boot. But there's another great competitor too, that being the Sorel Cheyanne 2. I've actually done a comparison between the two in a video I'll link in the description. But with LL Bean recently changing their lifetime warranty policy to, I think, a year, left a little bad taste in my mouth. So I thought it was time to revisit the Sorel Cheyanne 2 and give it a fair shake. So that's what we've got in today's video. I've got an unboxing and full in-depth review. We're gonna go over the construction, the materials used to put together the shoe, and I'm gonna throw it on, let you know how it feels, how it fits, how comfortable it is. So without further ado, let us get into this breakdown of the Sorel Cheyanne 2 Duck Boot. Now, for those of you unaware, Sorel's been around for quite a while. They've been making great outdoor products since around 1962. And one of the most popular models definitely has to be their duck boots. And what we have here today is the Sorel Cheyanne 2 in the chipmunk and black colorway. Now, this bad boy is gonna retail for around 150 bucks. Now, I wear a size 11 and a half. Grab these in 11 and a half. We're gonna find out if they're true to size as well. So what do you get for your 150 bucks? You get a nice, supple, full grain leather upper. Definitely a nice quality leather, you can tell. And as you can see on the lateral side of the upper, you have the Sorel bear and logo. And as you can see, you pan down, you got this vulcanized rubber midsole, and you have this herringbone sole. Definitely gonna get some nice traction, not gonna be slipping and sliding with these. One of the things that definitely sets this boot apart from its other competitors, including the LL Bean Bean Boot, is that you have a nice 200-gram insulation. And it's supposed to protect you down to negative 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, of course, this boot is fully waterproof. Waterproof leather upper, semi-sealed so you don't get any water in, midsole waterproof, outsole waterproof. Now, just as Sorel describes, what I really love about this boot, you get the stability and protection of a weatherproof work boot with a wear anywhere look. You got great cold weather style and comfort. And to me, with the insulation, it gives you an advantage in the colder weather. I'm definitely curious to see, once I slide it on, how warm and comfortable it'll be. In addition to the other things I mentioned, I really love this pull tab on the back that makes it easy to pull on and off. Me being a veteran of duck boots, these definitely gonna keep you dry. Never had a problem with cold or wet feet in duck boots. I've always been a fan of the style. It's just a classic preppy looking style. Another thing you'll notice about this boot, it's extremely lightweight, not heavy or clunky, so that's definitely a plus. And it's not an overly tall boot, a height around 7.5 inches. So now that we know everything about how it's constructed, what you get for your money, let's take a look on how it looks on foot, and I'll let you know how comfortable it is and whether it's true to size. Now, as you can see, I've quickly thrown them on with a pair of jeans to walk around in the studio. And the first thing I'll tell you that I noticed, they're definitely extremely, extremely warm. But the other thing, I've got a slight problem. I bought the 11 and a half, they're kind of snug. I believe I should have ordered at least half a size up. But other than that, no complaints whatsoever. Other than being a little snug, they're extremely comfortable. And I think the EVA insole that comes with helps that out. So what are my overall thoughts about the Sorel Cheyanne 2 Duck Boot? One, it's extremely, extremely warm. Might make it a little less versatile than other duck boots. I probably wouldn't wear this in times when it's super warm. It's that insulated. So that could be a plus and a minus depending on what you're looking for. This definitely is gonna be a great cold weather duck boot. Love the way it's styled, love the way it's built. The only drawback for me right now, it's probably too small for me, a little snug, should have went a half size up. Definitely gonna have to exchange them for a 12 instead of the 11 and a half that I grabbed. Put it all together, craftsmanship, build, comfort level, I'm gonna give these Sorel Cheyanne 2 duck boots 9.5 salutes. Okay, so there you have it. My unboxing and review of the Sorel Cheyanne 2 duck boot. I've got a link in the description if you want to grab a pair for yourself. And let me know in the comments section if you have any experience with this shoe. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos I release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.